Want to see more of the content you love and less of what you don't? Here is how you can easily customize your feed on TikTok using your iPhone. First, open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Content Preferences under the Activity section. From there, tap on Manage Topics. You can now adjust the sliders for different categories to see more or less of specific content types. Finally, tap Save in the top right corner. And that is it. Your TikTok feed is now customized to your liking.